Hello guys, what's going on? Today we're going to talk about web novel, and I'm going to show you guys step by step in this tutorial that I found it a way how you can get free coins in the app, guys. So I'm going to show you this from the beginning, from the scratch, at how you can do it. Also, all the steps you need to follow, where you have to go, or what you have to do before. So this method, I found it out. It worked for the both devices. I already tested in my iPhone, which I'm going to show you the steps right now with it, and I already tested in my Samsung, which is an Android device, which I'm recording with it right now. So guys, if you want me to make a tutorial for the Android users for any kind of reason that you might have, or you just want me to make a video for Android, just let me know in the comments below. I'm going to make a tutorial also for the Android users. But as I mentioned before, the steps are the same, so I hope there is no need to do this. But anyway, if you want me to, let me know in the comments below and I will do it, okay? So back in the topic right now. So all you have to do, guys, before you start the loading process of this mod, which is going to generate the coins in your app, you just need to make a few changes in the settings if you didn't do it before, which it means you have to go in the settings. If you did it before, there is no need to do these changes again, guys. You have to go to the general over here and scroll it down, background upper fresh again. Make sure you're going to select Wi-Fi and mobile data. Why? This is important that the whole process doesn't interrupt because of internet connection. So like this, you're going to have internet connection all the time during the process. So after you check this first one, get back to the settings, scroll it down, battery over here. If you are using lower power mode, make sure you're going to switch it off, guys, before. So after you finish the whole process, you can come back to the settings and switch it on again if you like to have lower power mode active, okay? So guys, the steps that I already show you right now are required only for the iOS users, okay? For the Android users, they don't need to make these changes before. So before we start forward with the tutorial, I'm just going to open real quick the app so to show you guys how it looks for me and how I got the coins and how many. As you can see over here, I got so many coins, and I'm going to show you right now what you have to do. So practically now for the both devices, all you need to do is just to go to your internet browser. You can use any kind of internet browser that you prefer, guys, and you need to just type this website, which I'm going to type for you in the searching bar, and I'm just going to focus it immediately. So you just enter inside of it, and then as you can see, you are here and there are a lot of apps inside of the app. You have divided in different categories. Practically you are looking for a mod. I'm going to make it simple for you. Just search in the searching bar about web novel. Just let me refresh it one more time because I was in the app before. Maybe some error it happened. Okay, just do it one more time. Just a few seconds, guys, to get connected. Okay, we're just going to try one more time. Web novel. Okay, here we are. You just need to press the blue button over here in the corner, and then you have the whole information on the next page, and you just need to press the blue button of download. It will start the loading process, and by the end of this process, you're going to be able to activate the coins on your app. So this is my video tutorial for today, guys. I hope it was helpful and useful. And before you leave this tutorial, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Don't forget to press the like button. Just one more tip before I leave, so I don't forget. If to any of you it will require an extra step by the end of the process, just make sure you're gonna complete it, because this depends on the region where you are. So if it's going to happen, just follow what is required and you're going to be able to get the coin same as me. So thank you for watching.